Hello, now this is the avatar creation, and in avatar creation the aim is actually taking something very much conceptual and making it into a concrete representation. What I asked on the brief is you are going to think about the CEO, the stakeholder, or whoever is the manager of your own service and the project, that person's viewpoint, three important leadership qualities, and what you are thinking they actually conceptually mean. So, for example, the CEO might be a very visionary person, or he or she can be very much compassionate, a great leadership skills that kind of puts everyone together, the collaboration. So please think about three important ones, and I'm giving you 5 minutes for you to kind of come up with these important qualities for your perspective, and how they can actually manifest themselves into a 3D sculpture. It sounds really hard, but it is really not. And you can use, if you don't have an aluminium foil, that's usually what I would have done if we were together. Take an aluminium foil and then think about how they can actually form into, let's say, if it's a visionary person, maybe you are going to make some kind of a shape like this. I'm not suggesting you should do it exactly what I'm saying, but I mean, this is how simple it can be. You can use three of the words in one piece, or you can create three different objects. And for you, if you don't have aluminum foil and if you don't have any other materials, and you can also use a Play-Doh. If you have like clay, it's also easy to make something out of it. So anything that you can make something out of it is going to help you. And if there's nothing, you can always use an A4 paper. This is what I have created for a leader who is very visionary, very much flexible, and wants to create some kind of a bridge between two of the worlds, which is the reality and the fantasy. And this is my shape. So all I want you to do as an outcome is take the picture of what you have created, write down your most important words, and then how that you have actually tried to describe it. This is a very vulnerable experience. It's really great to, if it was done in teams, it would be amazing to actually get to know each other. But I think it's still giving you a space and a platform to express yourself. So have fun, and I'm really waiting for you to see what you are going to come up with.